Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I want to tell and repeat again about the presentation by the lecturer English department, especially Faculty of Culture, Management and Business, about the TOEFL talks. And then I have get point some from the lecture English department. In this part, I want to explain again the first be knowledgeable on the underlying reason of taking TOEFL test. It means knowledgeable is basically the people for want to try for the test TOEFL. It is the very important before you want to the test TOEFL. You actually for the learning before you want to test TOEFL, because knowledgeable is the very important for your directly for the fluency in your success. And then the second have insight into variety of English proficiency tests. When you have the knowledgeable into the S test conversation language English, this is you see easy for the encourage and then your the release ability, because when you capable for the master in the TOEFL test, you want for the amazing, and then you can receive in job in the office in another. And then the third have a diverse understanding of each skill test on TOEFL. This is before you want for the follow the TOEFL test. You solve for the comprehension. You have more in the about the every skill than the knowledge in the test TOEFL. So you get easily when you the try in the test TOEFL. And then I think that's all. I'm sorry if there are deficiencies of me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.